Okay, in this video we're going to use this chart to calculate inventory, the purchase and sale of inventory using the LIFO method, which stands for last in, first out. The only way that this will differ from what we just saw in the video calculating FIFO is that now instead of selling our oldest units first, we'll be selling our newest units first. And remember, when I say selling, it doesn't actually matter which units our customers pick up. We just have to be able to assign a cost to them. So this is just a cost flow assumption. We're just assigning a cost to what we sell. It really doesn't matter which one of these, we're calling it zebra 9X's, they actually picked up. But we do have to assign a cost for them in our inventory systems. Okay, so it says that our beginning inventory was 420 units at $8. So that would equal $33.60. Our next transaction on April 10th, we sold 300 units. So I come to my cost of merchandise sold section and I show that we sold 300 units. I have one price level, so I know that the cost was $8. So my total cost of goods sold is $2,400. Now my new ending inventory balance is I started off with 420 and then I sold 300, so I only have 120 left at a cost of 8, so 120 times 8. Ending inventory is 960. On April 18th, I purchased new inventory of 280 units at $9. So 280 at 9. It's $25.20. So pay attention here when we go to put in our inventory balances over here. We need to account for what we still have from before and what we just now got. And we need to keep it in the same order. So we put the oldest ones up first. We still have 120 units at $8, which was 960. And then we need to put the ones we just purchased, which was 280 units at $9 for $25.20. Our total ending inventory at April 18th are these two lines together. Alright, on April 27th we sold some. So we come to the column where we sold some. So before I type the 250 down, I need to ask myself, do we have 250 units available of the newest price? Because this is last in, newest in. So I have 280 here, so I can sell all of them in that group. The answer is yes. So I can sell all of the 250 out of the $9 unit cost. So I'm going to put 250 at $9. For a price of $22.50. So my cost of merchandise sold is $22.50. Now let's get our ending inventory balance. Remember, let's keep it in order. This is what I had. So I still have the 120 at 8. Now I did have 280 at 9, but now I sold 250, so I only have 30 left at the 9, and that would be $270. So as you can see, when you're using LIFO, you expense out the more expensive ones, which gives you a lower gross profit. And in the remaining ending inventory, you have the older ones, because you have all of your older ones left right here, which means your ending inventory is going to have a lower value than if you were using FIFO. So let's answer the questions now. So letter A says find the cost of merchandise sold on April 27th. So the cost of merchandise sold, correct, it is $22.50. B says, what is your ending inventory on April 30th? We need to add these two numbers together, the 960 and the 270. and that would be 1,230. So this is how you would do your chart to do a LIFO problem. Let me know if you have any questions.